I bet I know what you're thinking. It's not for that, you perv.
Hi, so we are DEVONICS. And we are a partner and distributor and system integrator for Freno brand cobots, which you can see here. So Freno is like your other six-axis cobots. Whatever the other brands can do, the Freno can also do. I'd say our main selling point, though, but would be our price point. We are generally much cheaper than a lot of the other brands for very comparable quality and service. DEVONICS as a company, though, like I said earlier, we are the partners and as well as system integrators. So we like to use Freno brand cobots to help solve problems that customers come to us in terms of whether that be for automating their production line, setting up a test environment, or whatever purposes that they may have. We worked in a wide field of different industries. We worked in automation, manufacturing, laboratory, filming, you can name it. In DEVONICS, we are located in San Diego, California. So
how can they get a hold of you?
Okay, so DEVONICS, so we have a website, devonics.com, where you can look at our store page, and you can also reach out to contact us. We have an after-sales support page at support.devonics.com, where if you purchase from us, you can find a bunch of articles for how to use the cobots and solutions for other problems you may have. I believe you can also reach out to a lot of our sales team through email. You can also send emails to info@devonics.com. To talk to one of our sales team members who will then explain to you about more info about what we do and how we can help you. But yeah, DEVONICS is I'd say a multifaceted company. If you guys have a problem when it comes to automation or building out your factory, DEVONICS is definitely the company that can help get you sorted. So this is the FR10. 10 means it has a 10 kilogram payload. So it has the same specs about as most other six-axis cobots. You have almost complete 360 degree freedom of movement for each of the joints. Like I said, it has a 10 kilogram payload. It has a typical TCP speed of about, I want to say 1.5 meters per second. I think max joint speed, I think, is about 180 degrees per second. So almost full 360 every 2 seconds. Let's see, yeah, they're safety certified, obviously, as cobot for the third time coming to MDM. So we've only been around for 3 years, in fact, actually. So each year we try to do better. We constantly go to several trade shows each year, and every time we improve on our setup.